To change background in WGIMP 7012E, tap Explorer menu. Select picture you want. Tap any screen to show menu. Tap image icon. Tap yes to set picture as background. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.